Imagine growing a plant at home that quietly gives back again and again. A plant that flavors your food, supports your health, and thrive even in a simple container. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of ginger, a plant with ancient roots and powerful uses. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to grow ginger successfully even if you have never gardened before. Ginger is one of the most widely grown and used plant across the world. And for thousands of years it has traveled from tropical region of Asia of kitchens all over the world. What many people don't realize is how surprisingly easy ginger is to grow, especially in containers. Before we begin, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. We often call ginger a root, but what we actually harvest is called a rhizome. The rhizome is a special underground stamp that grows sideways rather than straight down. This is important because understanding how ginger grow help us grow more of it faster. The ginger plant you may see here is not the most common variety. It is the Thai type of ginger, but it grows in almost the same way as regular ginger. Whether you are using ginger fresh, dried, and in a powder shape, and the growing method remain very similar. In this video, you will learn how to grow ginger in a container, how to care for it properly, and how to harvest it for maximum yield. And as a bonus at the end, I will also show you how to turn your home grown ginger into a long lasting powder you can use anytime. Choosing the right ginger to plant. When selecting ginger from a grocery store, look closely at the surface. You will notice small bumps or eyes. These are growth points where new shoots will emerge. Choose large, healthy peas with multiple eyes. The bigger the peas you plant, the faster and the stronger your ginger plant will grow. More eyes means more shoots, more leaves, and more energy flowing back to into rhizome underground. Simply put, bigger planting pieces lead to a bigger harvest. Picking the best container and soil. Because ginger spreads sideways, it prefer a wide and shallow container rather than a deep and narrow one. This gives the rhizome room to expand naturally. For soil, use a high quality potting mix that is loose, well draining, and rich in organic matter. Ginger loves soil that stay moist but never soggy. Some gardeners grow the ginger in water before planting, but this step is optional and you can plant it directly into the soil, water lightly, and it will begin growing on its own. When planting, place the ginger just beneath and the surface and cover it with about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of soil, no deeper. Press gently, then water slightly. At this stage, don't overwater. There are no roots yet, so the goal is simply to wake the plant up and encourage growth. And the placement and growing conditions. The ginger come from tropical regions of Southeast Asia, and it means it love warmth, humidity, and consistent moisture. If you live in a colder climate, it is best to start ginger indoor in spring. Once shoot appear and temperature warm up, you can move it outside if conditions allow. Now the commercial ginger farm plant their rhizome right before rainy season. At home, we recreate that environment by watering regularly and keep the plant warm. Some common problems and how to fix in easy way. If the leaf tips turn brown, the soil is likely too dry, and increase watering slightly or add mulch to help retain the moisture. If leaves turn yellow, the plant may need nutrients, and gently organic fertilizer can help restore the balance. If the soil stay wet and the rhizome begins to root, that is the sign of too much water. Better drainage usually solve this issue. If your ginger flower, don't worry, that's completely natural, and the flowers are even edible. The most important gardening skill is simple awareness. Watch your plant closely and it will tell you what it needs. After about 4 to 5 months, you can begin harvesting ginger. If you live in a warm area, you can gently break off pieces of the rhizome while leaving the rest of continue growing. And in colder region, harvest everything before frost cause the plant to die back. Wash the ginger well and store unused pieces in a cool dry place for a future planting. This cycle allows ginger to keep producing year after year. Now for the kitchen bonus, start by washing your ginger thoroughly and slice it into a thin even pieces so it dries evenly. You can sun dry the slice, but a food dehydrator works best. Arrange the slice in a single layer and dry them until they snap cleanly when bent, and any remaining moisture will prevent proper grinding. Once fully dry, grind the slices into fine powder using a spice grinder or a similar tool. And this homemade ginger powder can be used in a tea, baking, cooking, and other recipes. And it's one of the most versatile ingredient you can make from your garden. From a simple grocery store purchase to thriving container plant, from fresh harvest to homemade spice, and ginger is proof that growing your own food does not need to be complicated. If you have never grown ginger before, this is your sign to try, and it is forgiving, beautiful, and incredibly rewarding. Until next time, keep learning, keep planting, and keep growing something amazing. Take care.